Hello everyone, my name is Emre Kuruka. I was discussing the subject of game. A game that I used to play like a toy, an item or something that is generally used to entertainment or pleasure and sometimes used an educational tool. A different game of work which is usually done for a paycheck and or art which is more often an expression of aesthetic or ideological elements. The differences are unclear, however, and many games are also viewed as works, like such as professional players in sport or spectator games, or art, like such as puzzle or game that involve artistic layouts such as Mahjong, Solitaire, or some video games. Tested from 2600. Game is a universal part of human experience and is present in all cultures. The royal game of ours, Senet and Mancala are some of the oldest known games. Thank you.
Hello everyone, come back with me Joshua Jimbut. Today I will discuss a topics, little games, starting from what game are, their type and the effect on study. Game comes, game comes from English with main and basic game. The game in this case refers to the notion of intellectual ability, which can also be interpreted as the arena of discussion and also the action of the games. In the games, there are goals target to be achieved by the players. The type of games can be divided into two, namely type based on platform and genre. Based on the platform consists of arcade games, PC games, and the handheld games. Type of games type of games based on genre, namely action, fighting, and adventure. The version of games, video games, now gets appreciation more generally, especially students. They can foster creativity and responsiveness as long as the games is not played over and over again. Akio Mori and professor from Tokyo Nihon University conducted research on the impacts of video game on conducted research of the impacts of video game on the brain's activity. From Akio Mori research, it can be concluded that there are two important points, namely, first, the distress in the frontal brain wave activity, which have a very important role by controlling emotion and aggressivity so that the equity variance.
Game is a complex activity in which there are rules, play, and culture. A game is a system where players are involved in artificial conflict. Here, player interacts with the conflict system in the game is engineered or artificial. In the game, there are rules that aim to limit player behavior and also determine the game. The game in this case refers to the notion of intellectual agility, which can also be interpreted as an arena for decisions and also the action of the game. In the game, there are targets that are achieved by the player. Many, many say that the inventor of video game was William Higginbotham 1958 created the game Tennis for Two on the oscilloscope. This game features a simple tennis court seen from the side. In 1972, the first video game device for the home market was released, the Magnavox Odyssey with a television. Although not a huge success, other companies with the same product had to pay for a license. However, success has been achieved since Atari's launch of Pong, a ping-pong video game, on November 29, 1972. From this point on, video and game became popular and the new hobby on PC was just beginning to be recognized and widely used. Thank you.